here was a beautiful nature. If you like, then please subscribe my channel. This is a nature is beauty and nature essence. You can see here are a cyclone in bhosari, Pune. Here you can see the cloud will start to raining and the coconut tree were moving here and there, left and right, and the nature is tree, birds and cow. Very harmful. There are very air. You can see the nature and the cloud were black color in blackish color. And here the best nature you ever seen. You can see the trees are moving here and there like coconut tree. You can see in the sky the bird were flying in the here and there like crow, and the cow was walking here and there instead running. You can enjoy this nature with joyfully. The whole garbage was spreading here and there because of the cyclone in bhosari, Pune. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment please. Like, share, this video is better and naturefully. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and get more videos on related to this, not related to this, and more videos I can make. Till then, bye. Please like, share. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि आप देख सके मेरी वीडियो सबसे पहले। तब के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।